Now before you put it in a rack, make sure you have something to label it, so you know what it is. Okay, so I'll put it in a rack right here to dry. Make sure you leave a gap. Okay. Okay. Let it to cool for. Okay, so I have that, so I know the day that I made it. Okay, the day that I made it, then I put it like that. Put it where this dry already. This like two weeks ago. I can use this now. Test it out now, but I'll wait another 2 weeks to test it out because I have so many soap right now. So after you've done this a few times, you have so many soap. Okay, which soap are you gonna test out? Okay, so you have that problem later. Okay, good problem to have. Okay, I'll see you next time in another video.